This is a chocolate fudge recipe that's so easy to make, it only requires 3 ingredients. Start by getting the pot so you can melt the ingredients in. Add in about half a stick of butter, which is about 50 grams. Then add in 3 cups of your favorite semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is about 500 grams. Finally, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, which is about 500 milliliters. Just before heading to the stove, let's prepare our dish. What you need for this amount of ingredients is a square dish, 9 inch by 9 inch, which is about 23 centimeters by 23 centimeters. This dish is where the fudge will cool down before serving. What you need to do is either line it with some parchment paper or spray the dish with non-stick spray. This step is done to prevent the fudge from sticking to the dish and making it easier to come out. Now let's go to the stove. On a low to medium heat, melt those ingredients. Keep an eye on them and continue stirring. If you ever see the mixture boiling, don't be afraid to take it off the stove and continue stirring until it cools down a little bit, and then put it again on the heat. A good indication to turning off the heat would be when the chocolate has melted. Continue stirring and mixing until all the ingredients have dissolved. Once everything has dissolved and the mixture is runny, it's time to quickly head to the dish and pour in the mixture. Now, there are some recipes out there that say you can melt those ingredients in the microwave. You can do that, however, you're required to stop every few minutes to stir up the ingredients and continue the heating up in the microwave. Now, if you prefer to do this, stop the microwave every 2 minutes, mix up the mixture and heat it again for 2 minutes, and mix it up and heat it again for 2 minutes, then you can do it in the microwave. But I find it to be much more easier to do on the stove. One continuous heat and slowly mixing. Level up the surface of the fudge. Cover and let it cool for at least 1 hour. Once the hour is up, it's time to get in your serving plate. Cut the fudge pieces in any shape you like: squares, diamonds, rectangles. Serving suggestions: you can eat this fudge by itself or with some ice cream. That was our fudge recipe. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends.